good morning to my lovely audience. This side Anchor Reena. You're watching Expo Media English. Guess what? Today I'm here to cover ID. And I wanted to introduce somebody who is very excited to know about what exactly the all event is, and she's going to guide me. So let me introduce. Please welcome ma'am.
Hello, hi.
So she is Jyoti and she's a great famous architect. How are you ma'am right now?
I'm good. I'm enjoying here. We are at ID actually, ID Design 2025 here.
Okay, so I just wanted to know, and my audience wanted to know what exactly the ID is, for what purpose we are here, and what we are going to explore today.
It is actually luxury exhibition actually. So luxury brands are here, and everybody it's occasion their brands here. It's all about the architecture, interior designing, furniture designing, and the great artwork.
So I think my audience are very excited. Even I'm also excited to just gain lots of knowledge about the designing and many more options. So let's go. So hey everyone, she is Mrs. Harpreet and she is the head person of the Panasonic brand. Ma'am, I just wanted to know, and my audience wanted to know, what exactly the Panasonic is all about. Because people know about the electronics products, but apart from that, there are lots of things are there in the Panasonic. So what all are they?
Oh, we go well beyond what people perceive us for. That's only the electronic appliances. So Panasonic Japan has modular kitchens. We have wooden flooring, like you can see. We have external wall cladding facade material.
Okay.
We have, of course, home automation. We have lighting. The products that Panasonic offers is very broad.
Okay.
And of course, the kitchens, lesser known is that we do our own modular kitchens. We manufacture complete modular kitchens in Japan.
Okay.
We have another range of kitchens that we manufacture in India as well, which is manufactured completely basis the JIS standards of Japan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I just wanted to know about your target audience basically, and for what purpose you are here.
Yeah, we are into the upper segment, premium and high segment of clients. That's our target audience, of course. And of course, this is the right platform. ID is the right platform to reach out to the correct audience in terms of architects, builders, clients, and everything. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for interacting with the Expo Media English.
Hello. Hi.
How are
Hi.
you? Good to see you.
We are at Ojas Art today actually. We have Divyani with us. Divyani, tell us about your brand and art gallery.
Yes. Firstly, I'd like to introduce my colleague, Dipendra. He's a very hardworking associate at the gallery. I'm the associate director here, and it's my honor to be at ID. And so the gallery is a Delhi-based gallery, and it's also a place where you can just hang out. It's a very beautiful garden space. So we do multifaceted art programs like events and art gallery. And it's got a small little shop also, which is related to art products. So it'd be nice if you all visit us.
Yeah.
But having said that, Ojas Art is not just an art gallery. We do faceted projects, like we are a part of JLF, Jaipur Literature Fest,
Okay.
and which has gone international all over the world. So we curate art over there. We also take part in a lot of festivals across India, and have small presences across the world.
That's great.
Thank
Tell
you.
me about your favorite art here.
Sure. So there are several, and it's difficult for me to pin down one, but can I do two?
Yes,
Okay.
sure.
So first is, I'd like to show you Pichwai. This is a very different Pichwai. So it's made out of lace firstly, and this is from the late 19th century. It's about 100-year-old one-piece Pichwai done in Germany. So if you notice, the features of the people are unlike the Pichwai tradition we have. They're a bit different. That is one, and then this condition of a lace Pichwai you not find easily. So it's non-touched up, repaired. It's one piece, beautiful piece of 100-year-old tradition of Pichwai.
This is beautiful actually. And second one.
Second one, difficult, but let's go across to our contemporary artist here. So we work with tribal, traditional, and contemporary.
Great.
And over here we have, this is the Jade Ganesha in front. It's also one of my favorite pieces. It's one piece, jade piece. And then I'm cheating a little. I'm telling you about another piece now.
Yeah.
Just above that you see this lion, this tiger figure, animals floating around as though they're swimming. So this is Abhishek Singh. We launched his book in Jaipur Literature Fest, and he has a world of his own he paints, and he actually paints stories. He's a great narrator, artist, and a composer of stories. So he's done these stories based on animals like elephant, tiger, and the tortoise. Tortoise being Medini. This is hymns of Medini, being the ancient earth. Then tiger, the Kesari tiger, and the little elephant. You see the mother and child relationship here, which is so beautiful. This is my piece.
Wow.
And you see the little elephant hanging on to the mother. So this is Mother Earth, and these are all animals floating in the amniotic fluid of their mother's womb.
Wow.
So this is like as though they're floating and swimming. This is his world of stories, and if one wants to know, they can get this from us.
Yeah, sure.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so much. Thank you so much for your valuable time.
Thank you, Jyoti.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So yes guys, he's Mr. Yogesh and he's from Jaipur Rugs and he's the director of this company, right sir? So just wanted to know basically what exactly the Jaipur Rugs is all about.
So we are a brand. We manufacture handmade carpets and we sell them all over the world.
Okay.
So we have 10 stores in India.
Okay.
We have stores in London, Milan, Dubai, Singapore, 3 in China, 1 in Russia. But also we sell to brands all over the world. So we sell in over 100 countries, and about 40,000 artisans work for the company, working from 600 villages, and they're mostly women working from homes.
Okay, that's great enough. So basically to who are your target audience?
So we target people who are building homes or renovating homes, or who need carpets in their homes essentially. So we make carpets all the way from starting from, let's say, 10-20,000 rupees, going all the way up to 1-2 crore per carpet.
And how much time exactly it takes to make a one carpet, and what kind of technology you use in this carpet?
So everything we do is handmade.
Okay.
So it takes anywhere between 1 month to 12 to 15 months sometimes to make a carpet. So for example, the one behind us, this carpet would take about 2.5 months with 2 people making to make the carpet. Yeah.
Okay, anything else ma'am you wanted to ask to Mr. Yogesh?
I just want to ask one, according to you, which one is in trend actually?
So actually, there are 2 types of trends right now. One is very minimalistic, and the other is very which lifts the space up. So what we see here is very minimalist, right? Where you have very little color, very plain, and on the exact opposite side you have something which has a lot of color, a lot of design. So I think there's a juxtaposition of both of these trends, where some people want something very minimalistic, but then you have something very maximalist. Suddenly that pops up some part of the home.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much. And this is my favorite brand for carpets actually.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, we are great to have our designer, carpet designer here. We can hear from her. Tell us about you.
Hello, hi. My name is Tatiana de Nicolai. I'm from Paris, France, and we're here exhibiting at the booth of India Design Fair in New Delhi with Jaipur Rugs. So this is our collection that we collaborated together, and it's 7 rugs. The collection is called Jardin du Monde. which in French means gardens of the world.
Tell me about your design experience here.
So I was living in London long time ago. I was working for Cabana magazine. I was designing their items that they sell throughout their magazine. And after I worked a little bit in the design field in events. And then I eventually launched my own company, and I work with brands across the world, but mainly in Europe. And now I live in Paris, and I have many projects, let's say, in interiors.
Oh, great. So how's your experience here?
I love it. It's very busy.
So you enjoying?
I'm enjoying. I love India because I lived here for a while, a long time ago. So no, it's amazing to see all these artists, all these brands come together here. So I'm very grateful to be here. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So hi everyone, he's Mr. Manish and he's the Vice President of Marketing of Mikasa. So me and my audience wanted to know what exactly is Mikasa is all about.
Mikasa is derived from a Spanish phrase called Mi Casa Su Casa, which means my home, your home. And this brand is from the House of Greenlime Industries Limited, which is an established brand name in the building material industry, especially the wood panel products.
Okay.
So that's it.
Okay. I just wanted to know for what purpose you are here and who are your target audience.
Well, we're all here for one purpose, which is generating business for sure. But again, India Design Show is a good platform for us to build the brand, showcase our new product collection offerings under Mikasa and Decode and the other product lines which we currently have.
Yes.
That's it.
Okay. And who are your target audience?
So essentially, the target audience here is obviously architect designers who come across the country to visit the show for us. Other than that, a lot of end customers, homeowners who are building their houses, they really get excited to look at the new products, and I think that is another set of customers we are here for.
That's great. Okay, any one message you wanted to give your competitor basically about Mikasa, what exactly will get us to other brands basically, what message? I'm sure it's going to be positive, but what?
No, I think it's the only thing which I would want to put across to our competition brands. I think the industry is wide. There's a huge opening for all of us to play together.
Okay.
Let's be. I would say let's create a good platform for our products and the industry across. Thank you much.
Thank you so much for interacting with Expo Media English.
Thanks. Bye bye.
So hi everyone, she's Garima. So ma'am, how's the experience to be a part of this IED?
Experience has been really nice. I mean, we are enjoying the kind of response we are getting from the audiences.
Okay.
Also, it's not first time that we are exhibiting here. This is almost, I think, 4th year in a row that we are exhibiting here, and we are getting very good response.
Okay. My next question to you is basically what exactly this brand is all about and with whom you deal, by the way.
So, see, we are a company called Etrelux, and this is just one of our ventures where we are dealing with the Italian kitchens. So, this is entirely a brand which is based in Italy. We make all our kitchens there, and then we get the products here and we get it installed at our client side. But this is, as I mentioned, this is just one of our verticals. We're also dealing with wardrobes and furniture and doors and internal partitions and much more actually. So, we have a complete display at our showroom based in MG Road.
But I just saw the tagline over this is the best company basically for the kitchen one.
Yes.
Men or white?
See, it all lies in the details. So the company is almost 50 years old, and it has already established its footprints across the globe, India being one of the countries. So the kind of detailings we do, the kind of finishings we do, the kind of production methodology we have, and also the kind of material we are using. And most important part with us is the number of finishes we are catering for.
Okay. Thank you so much for interacting with Expo Media English. I hope you guys are enjoying this exhibition, and I'm sure you're getting lots of knowledge about the interiors, design, furniture, arts and many more, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy more because today Ms. Jyoti is helping me about all this architects, designings, and many more. So, ma'am, how are you feeling right now to be the part of this expo, and how much you have gained this knowledge?
Actually, I'm enjoying here. I'm just having very good experience here. So I'm just enjoying.
Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's our audience enjoy more, and we are going to explore more about this exhibition. So, are we ready?
Yeah.
So you have to do only one thing for watching it. You have to like our video, you have to share to your loved ones, and you have to subscribe. So let's be together. Like, share,
and
subscribe. So hi everyone, she's Garima and he's Saurav, by the way. So guys, just tell me, how's your experience in this exhibition?
I think it's been lovely. It's first day of ID and it's popping design. We love design. We love homegrown brands. So we're here to represent them.
Okay. And you are for what purpose?
Same, I am also here representing few of my clients. I do PR for architects, designers and alien brand to the industry. You know, the brand which I loved was Jaipur Rugs. I love the story.
Me too.
Yeah,
When we have covered it.
Parisian decor and all the themes that you're playing with, it's really fantastic theme. I don't think any other, rugs brand is doing like that kind of a story. It's very interesting to watch.
Okay. If any one message you wanted to give to your audience, basically those who are not the part of this ID, so what exactly message you wanted to give?
I mean, it's India's most definitive design week. You should visit here. You should come with your family, friends, loved ones, explore design, explore the craft of India, the art of India, the architecture of India, and just have fun over the weekend.
So thank you so much, Garima and Saurav, for interacting with Expo Media English.
Thank you so much.
So hi everyone, I'm just interacting with Mr. Ritik Chawla. He's the co-founder of Essentia Home. So how's the experience right now, sir, to be the part of this?
Hi everyone. Yeah, so it's a great pleasure to be a part of ID, and so we've taken the liberty of doing the VIP lounge here this time. So we're happy to have you all visit. Ab thak haar ke, when you're done with everything, just come visit, sit back, relax, enjoy with us, test out our products. So we're a furniture manufacturing company, and we manufacture everything in-house in India. So we're a proudly Indian manufacturer company. We make all your furniture, doors, wardrobes, panelings, vanities, all your soft furnishings, and so everything related to furnish a space we take care of. We take care of everything. Yeah.
So basically you deal with pan-India or international both, or only the pan-India?
No, we deal with pan-India, and we're happy to export globally as well.
As an architect, how you're feeling right now to be the part of this Essentia Home, by the way, and what exactly you wanted to say, Mr. Ritik, by the way?
So I would like to ask one question actually. What are the latest trends actually in furniture design according to you?
So as furniture, I think is something a little different from fashion, right? Where in fashion it's very easy to follow those trends. We believe that furniture should not be trendy. So our furniture is not going to be trendy, because trendy means transient. It means that it'll stay for 2-3 years and then it'll fizzle away and not look nice. So for us, our focus is on timelessness, on minimalism, on long lastingness, that no matter what, even after 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, the furniture is going to look beautiful and is going to enhance your space.
Thank you so much, sir, for interacting with Expo Media English.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.
So hi everyone, I just met few friends from the Dehradun, by the way. So I just wanted to know, how's the experience of ID?
Great.
Fantastic so far.
That's great enough.
Yeah.
And what exactly ID is all about?
Well, this is all about interior concepts and the new things that are coming in this field. We brought students from UPES in Dehradun.
I think they're quite engaged with the exhibition. They are loving it, and they're still trapped inside the spaces. So yeah, especially we like the Asian paints displays and the installations and how they presented their work. I think that was pretty interesting. And also in the furniture section, there were like Anne Black, and of course the AK studio from Jaipur, and also their work have been pretty impressive to us.
Ma'am, if I wanted to ask any one definition or any one meaning for a designing, what it means for you, a designing means?
It means to be happy and bring happiness to the world of others.
And for what, sir, for you, what it is?
Make life better.
Oh, that's great, I think. So thank you so much, ma'am and so for interacting with Expo Media English. Thanks a lot.
Hi, Reena. He's my friend actually, Mahesh Sharma.
Oh, hi, this is Reena basically, and I'm a journalist.
You can ask any question to him about his
Okay.
art.
So, friends, he's basically Mr. Mahesh Sharma, and he's a great designer and a great artist, by the way. So, how is your experience to be a part of this expo, by the way?
No, this is my third year, and every year I always do a big installation here. So this year I also get a chance to display my installation and sculpture. So this time representing basically Nar Nari, and theme is Born to be Free, which is basically idea was that as a natural we born free as a human being, but slowly by the custom or society or by the fear we actually chained ourselves. So idea was that we have keep a balance between your responsibility and the freedom. And the human being, you always are free. So not leave your human identity.
Okay. So, apart from your designs, how you are conveying your message to the audience about all your designs?
No, I always design basically my sculpture or installation which have a message. Like earlier I designed 5 senses of colors or 5 senses of layers. Like God give 5 senses, but slowly few people forget to use them properly. They use only few senses. So idea was that we somehow if I can give information or just pass on, you have everything. You do not need anything from outside. We just to use it. The same like we all women and the man are equal, but undoubtedly like somehow they not feel comfortable each other to say I'm equal or you are equal. They always compete to each other.
So thank you so much, but I would love to ask the last question. Basically, it is not a question, it is just a message, by the way. So you are an artist, you are a designer, by the way, and you are having a great platform like Expo Media English to convey a great message to your audience. So what exactly a great message, a positive message you wanted to give being a designer, apart from your design and anything?
No, there's a great platform for anybody, not only designer or artist or the audience. It's the collaboration or celebration of the creativity. Ultimately, the creativity people, creative minds, and the artists, they come together or give their ideas, and then together they make something and feel happy. That's the more important thing. So whatever you make feel happy. That's the idea. So I really love that way. Like design fair always give that opportunity.
Thank you so much, sir, for interacting with Expo Media English. Thank you so much for staying with us till the last. I hope you have enjoyed this ID exhibition, and I really enjoyed. We learned about the interiors, designs, arts, and the most important thing was over here, and the most attractive part was Jaipur rugs. Really, ma'am?
Yeah, really. It was great fun here actually.
So, okay, so you have to do only one thing. For watching this, you have to like our video, share to your loved ones, and please subscribe our video. And you have to do only one thing. You have to just comment down the best part and the most attractive part, what you love and what was the most best designs for you in the video. Thank you so much.